Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture of Math Life channel. Friends, we have understood the concept related to the vector space and subspace. So all elements of a vector space we called it as vectors. So let v1, v2, vn be the elements of V. We generally denote it as a vectors, right? So we call them as a vector and we will continue our concept. So today we are going to study the concept linear combination of vectors. So let V be a vector space over R, and if v1, v2, vn belongs to V be the vectors, then how many vectors are there? v1, v2, vn, n vectors. So find n scalars c1, c2 dot cn, n scalar, and we write c1 into v1, c1 v1, product of these two, c1 v1. Next one is c2 v2 plus c2 v2 plus dot in general c3 v3 c4 v4. In general you can write cn vn, right? So this addition is called linear combination of vectors. Means whatever number of vectors are there, that many number of scalars we take, and we just take this product c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus dot cn vn, where c1 c2 cn are our scalars. Then this combination, this addition is called linear combination of vectors. Understood? And the very important point we are going to define here, this combination is called linear combination, and suppose each element of V, vector space V, each element of vector space V can be expressed as c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus cn vn. c1 c2 may be different but can be expressed in terms of set of vectors c1 c2 dot uh, v1 v2 dot vn. Means each element of vector space V can be expressed in terms of set of vector space V. Then we can say that V is spanned by these vectors. So these vectors are the generators for the V. So this set spans V. V is spanned by these vectors v1 v2 dot vn. So that concept we will continue in our next part, basis and dimension. So here just try to understand the concept of linear combinations. So I can express any vectors in terms of linear combination of other vectors. If possible, we will write it if we get a scalars. Understood? Now set of all linear combinations is called a linear span. Set of all linear combinations means, suppose I have set S which is non-empty subset of V. So if I take set of S is V1, V2, V3, only 3 vectors suppose I consider, correct? Then linear span of S is a linear combination of finite set, linear combination of finite set of elements of S. Means elements of V, elements of this V and scalar field R, that is we take C1, C2 or A1, A2, you may take any one. Then L of S is C1, V1 plus C2, V2, but S contains only 3 elements in my case. So here C1, V1 plus C2, V2 plus C3, V3, correct? So for each element of S and scalars, all possible combinations, it may possible that C1, C2, C3 may change. So all possible combinations is called linear span of S, right? And that I want to tell you that if I have a vector, if I have a set v1 dot v2 dot vn, and each element of V is expressed as linear combination of these elements, then we can say that this V is generated by these elements. So this set V1, V2, Vn spans V, right? So that is the concept of spanning set. Now we will just try one example and we will understand the concept. So here write the vectors, see the example, write the vectors V is equal to 1, 2, minus 5 as a linear combination of vectors V1, V2, V3 given. V1 is 1, 1, 1, V2 is 1, 2, 3, V3 is 2, minus 1, 3. So what we have to do to express it in linear combination? So V is equal to C1, yes, V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3. So always keep in your mind, whenever you have to express one vector into another vector, another set of vectors, then take that scalars. So here 3 vectors are there, so we consider 3 scalars C1, C2, C3, and we just write down the linear combination. What is our linear combination? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 is equal to V. So put all values. What is value of V? Value of V is 1 minus 2, 5. C1 into 1, 1, 1 plus C2 into 1, 2, 3 plus C3 into 2 minus 1, 3. Now from this you can write down the equations. If you multiply inside C1, I get, what is the first equation here? C1 plus multiply C2, C2 plus 2C3 is equal to, what is our first number? 1. पहिली पोझिशन प्रत्येकाची बघा, फर्स्ट पोझिशन, राईट. सेकंड C1 plus 2C2, correct, this 2, minus C3 is equal to minus 2. Will you tell me the last equation? Yes, C1 plus 3C2 plus C3 is equal to 5. Understood? So these are the 3 equations there. Write down in matrix notation. We know how to solve such equations. We have studied in our first unit, correct? System of linear equations. So write down that and consider augmented matrix AB. Write in matrix notation and consider augmented matrix AB. Reduce it into canonical form. R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 3 R1. So I get here 0, 0, correct? Start. So here 0, 0. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 1, it is minus 3. Then 3 minus 1, it is 2. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. And 5 minus 1, it is 4. Now use last step, R3 minus 2 R2. R3 minus 2 R2 and do your calculation. So I get here 1, 1, 2. 0, 1 minus 3, 3, 0, 0 minus 1 minus plus 6. So it is 5, 4 minus, again minus plus 6. So it is 10. Understood? So I get here rank of A equal to rank of AB. So system is consistent and is equal to number of unknowns 3. Therefore it has a unique solution. So find that unique solution here. You will get the value of C1, C2, C3. From the third equation, 5 C3 is equal to 10. You will get C3 is equal to 2. Back substitute that value here. So C3 equal to 2. So it becomes 6. Right? Minus 3 plus 6. So it is 3. C2 equal to 3. Now C2 and C3 substitute in 1. You will get C1 is equal to minus 6. Correct? So our final answer is V is equal to 6 into 1, 1, 1. No need to write, only if you write C1, C2, C3 it is okay, or you may write this step V, because our question is express V in terms of C1, C2, C3. So have you understood the concept of linear combination? I will take one more example here. See, for which value of K will the vector V is equal to 1 minus 2K be a linear combination of vectors v1 and v2 are given. v1 is 3 0 minus 2 and v2 is 2 minus 1 minus 5. So again two vectors are there, so take c1 and c2 and write down v is equal to yes c1 v1 plus c2 v2. Put the values, put all values, yes, do it. 1 minus 2k c1 302 minus 2 and c2 2 minus 1 minus 5. Correct? Do your calculation now. Write down the equations. So I get here 3c1 plus 2c2 is equal to 1. Next one is 0c1 minus c2 is equal to minus 2. So I get value of c2. c2 is 2. From that find value of c1. Value of c1 is minus 1. So we get our answer. Right? Now last step, c1, c2 we get, no problem. But last step, yes, minus 2c1 minus 5c2 is equal to k. Correct? But we know c1 and c2. c1 is minus 1 and c2 is 2. Substitute here and find value of k. Understood? So in this way, we can solve many problems on linearly dependent and independent of vectors. So in our next lecture, we will see some more problems on linear combination of vectors. Now we stop here.